I'm Tanya, welcome to Global Bakes. Today we're going to be making some dog treats. We are now in the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic and everybody is stuck at home, and I'm seeing a lot of people that are baking and making all kinds of treats for themselves and for their families, and I think that's great. I love to see people in the kitchen, but our dogs need treats too. And this morning I realized that I gave my dogs the last of the treats that I had in the jar that normally stays next to the back door. I'm not sure if our dogs have us trained or if we have them trained, but as soon as they come in from outside, they look at that jar and they expect a treat. So today we're going to make some dog treats. This is a very simple recipe. You can do things like add some shredded cheese, you can add banana, applesauce, all kinds of different things that you can put into dog treats to make them suitable for your dog, especially if they have allergies. Make sure that you do check with your vet. If your dog has any sensitivities or allergies, you want to make sure you don't use those types of things in their treats. We're using whole wheat flour, and I'm also using a little oat flour today. You can add things like chopped up apple, banana, applesauce, chicken, bacon, whatever you decide that you want to be able to give your dog in their treat. Totally up to you. This is a really customizable but super simple recipe. So give it a try. Let's get baking. And there you have it. It's that easy to make these dog treats. Like I said, only a few ingredients. You can add some mix-ins if you want to. You can change up the flour. My dogs love these just the way they are, and I'm actually making a double batch because I have 3 dogs and they go through a lot of treats. So I made some using a dog bone cookie cutter that I had, but those are kind of big, and sometimes you just want to be able to give them a treat without giving them too much. So I also made some small squares that I can give them as they come in from outside. Whenever I call them, they do get a treat. So they love these and they're super easy. You probably already have the ingredients on hand, so give them a try. Let me know what you think. And so this is our treat jar. This is what one batch of the recipe made, and this is enough to last us a couple of days. I will keep this on the counter. If you're going to keep them for longer than a few days, I would put them either in a jar in the refrigerator, or you can wrap them up and freeze them. Dogs will eat these frozen, at least mine will, and you can also take out whatever you think you'll need for a couple of days out of the freezer if you want to just store a bunch in there that way. So let me know what you think about this recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more recipes. I have a ton of stuff coming up. Thank you so much for stopping by Global Bakes.